Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need an administrator account ready. Keep credentials nearby. Once done, press the Windows key or click Start to open the menu. Type CMD into the search field, but don't hit Enter yet because that opens a normal prompt. Make sure to focus on the app result labeled Command Prompt. This first step sets the correct target so you can elevate privileges explicitly. Skipping it often launches a non-administrative session and causes permission errors later. Now right-click the command prompt result or click the three-dot menu next to it. Choose Run as Administrator. When you select that option, Windows prepares an elevated session with full administrative privileges. If user account control appears, click Yes or enter the administrator password. This confirms the elevation. You're doing this to allow system-level commands, installations, and configuration changes. Once the elevated window opens, finish by checking the title bar for Administrator. Command prompt so you know elevation succeeded. If you don't see that, close the window and try again using a confirmed administrator account or sign out and sign in as an admin. As an alternative, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager, choose File Run New Task, type CMD, check Create this task with administrative privileges, and press Enter. If user account control blocks you, ensure your account is in the administrators group.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.